plus 34 pips. Trade re-entries are often essential. In this video you'll see how I took a re-entry on the pound US dollar trade and how it worked out really well for me. Okay, let's get straight over to the charts. Please remember to hit subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll get the heads up as and when I post new videos. Let's get straight over to the charts. Hi everyone, welcome back. It's the 25th of February 2020, 2 minutes past 8. We've just seen the London Open taking place and I've just closed the live webinar down with the Price Action Traders Institute members. We've done the trade plan, gone through the 10 pairs that we trade, and we all know exactly what we're looking for to take trades. There was one trade that I took before the webinar started, and that was the pound US dollar. Got in this at 36. You can see my entry point down here. Seen this move up quite nicely now, and it's broken through that 50. I've locked 10 pips in on this in case that pulls back down again. So whatever that GU does, I'll come out with some pips on this one. And that's it really. I've got a couple of orders placed, but nothing really exciting to look at the moment. So what I'll do, I'll pause the video for now and I'll come back to you if I manage to get in any other trades, and also I'll give you an update on this pound US dollar trade, let you know how it's playing out. Okay, so I'll be back soon. So back with you for an update. The Canadian dollar Japanese yen, I took this at 27 short as it came through an entry point. Price didn't pull out of an area that I needed it to, so I had to punch out of that, losing me 2 pips. And the pound US dollar saw a big pullback on this. I had 10 pips locked on it, and my price stop was hit, so I'm up 10 pips on the pound US dollar at the moment. Immediately seeing an entry point, I got back in on this because my read of this hasn't changed at all. Even though price pulled back and hit my price stop, there's no reason why I shouldn't continue with my original trade plan on this and take it long again. And you can see that I got in here, that's 46, what we call yellow line number 2. It's the second entry I've had on this, on a yellow line entry. So that price has come back through that 50. Looks like it's pushing through that previous day's high. It's already been, and here we go. What's going on with the pound? Okay, so I need to concentrate on this at the moment. I'll pause the video for now. It's the only trade that I'm holding. I'm currently up 8 pips. So I'll be back in a little while to give you an update and let you know how I'm getting on and if I take any other trades. Back soon. Okay, the time is 8:36 London time. Just give you a quick recap here. The Australian dollar Japanese yen, took this as price came through an entry point, pulled back, and I had to punch out of that, so losing 4 pips. And the only other trade I'm holding at the moment is the pound US dollar. This is the re-entry that I took after taking a 10 pip profit on this as it came and hit my pulled back and hit my price stop for 10 pips. So back in this, and it's showing a reasonable profit at the moment. Keeps bouncing off of that previous day's high there, so I'm looking for it to move up towards that 80 where I've got to take profit. Other than that, the only other trade I'm holding is the US dollar Canadian dollar. We started to see some weakness in the US dollar coming into play, but it seems to have eased off a little bit now. Took this just a few moments ago as price came down towards, what was that, 80. I actually got in this, and you can see price is sucking back a little bit. Still got 7 minutes left on this candle, and I need to watch this one closely, see what it does. So taking this short, like I say, at 80, looking for price to move down towards that 50 level where I've got my take profit. So at the moment I'm 4 pips in profit, 10 pip profit on the pound US dollar, lost 2 pips on the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, and 4 pips on the Australian dollar Japanese yen. And that pound US dollar, I don't know, it's probably about another 10 pips. I've locked in 2 pips on that pound US dollar in case it spins round and tries to take me out again. So won't be losing on that one. Just worst case scenario is that I'll walk away with plus 2 pips. So that's where I am right now, holding 2 trades, up 4 pips, and seeing a reasonable profit showing on that pound US dollar at the moment. Okay, I'll pause the video again and I'll be back with you in a little while. Okay, back with you. The time is now 3 minutes past 9 London, and seeing some big moves on these pound pairs. Haven't been able to get in on the pound Japanese yen. The pound US dollar just steamed through my take profit, giving me plus 33 pips, and I punched out of the other trades that I was holding. What I'll do, I'll flick over to the summary sheet now, because I'm flat the market. Flick over to the summary screen and give you a rundown of the trades I took and how I've come out of this today. Okay, I'll be back in a little while with the summary. So here are my results. The pound US dollar, the initial one that I took, I set a price stop in place on that, and price pulled back and hit my price stop, giving me 10 pips. Re-entered the trade immediately because there was no reason why I shouldn't. The price action was exactly the same. My read on the trade was exactly the same, and so I got back in there. And happy that I did. It gave me another 33 pips. Another win here. Break even on the Euro Japanese yen. And these few little losses here, these were breakout trades that I took. Just didn't quite make it to the area that I needed them to, and I had to punch out of them. Very small losses. So I ended up with plus 34 pips. And that did me for the day. It's given me a second day win, and I'm up on the week. Good profit showing for the week. Okay, I'll close this down now. Take a look in the description box and you'll find the links that you need if you want to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll be back with another one soon.